Welcome back to the InboundREM YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about Real Geeks. We're changing up the format a little bit, making it a little bit more casual. If you're thinking about Real Geeks in 2025, here's what you need to know. Real Geeks is affordable. It's about $240 a month, but the platform feels stuck in 2018. SEO, it's out of like 1 to 10, it's maybe a 2 or 3. Blog content, generic, setup, clunky. It's not intuitive. It hasn't kept up with mobile or content marketing trends. It can work if you're running paid ads and if you're brand new and want something simple. But don't expect strong integrations or modern automation beyond some extremely basic Facebook integrations and social marketing integrations. If you're serious about scale, you'll probably quickly outgrow it, or at the minimum, you'll just keep it running in the background while you move on to other platforms like KV Core, Chime, Follow Up Boss. They all offer way more power, especially if you're doing long-term digital marketing. Follow Up Boss is not necessarily an all-in-one platform, but it is a very, very strong backend. And so I put it on the list because Chime and KV Core are both front-end and back-end, but honestly, Follow Up Boss is a back-end that you can plug into any front-end website. I reviewed them all. This is what I do. Want honest, experience-based reviews? Check out my website, my YouTube channel for full-length content. Subscribe for newbies, insights that save you time and money.